Get lost, Becka. Get lost, Becka. Written by Shirley Simon. Illustrated by Dora Letter. Jenny is my big sister. That's Jenny. Jenny says I'm too little. Jenny says I am too little to ride my bike with her. Jenny says I'm too little to skate with her. Jenny says I'm too little to play with her friends. Jenny says, get lost, Becka. Someday I will not be too little. Someday Jenny will want to play with me, but I will not play with her. I will say, get lost, Jenny. Jenny will be sad. I will say, don't cry, Jenny. Jenny and I will play together. See how much fun we had together? The end.